I just finished a very cool automation, check this out. So it turns out the Starlink has a sleep schedule, but you know what? My phone too has a sleep schedule. And with some smarter magic, you can synchronize them. As you can see here, I have Starlink and Starlink integrated into Home Assistant. And if I go to my iPhone and turn on the sleep mode, you can see that pretty promptly, the sleep schedule is going to turn on. Here we go. And if I go into the Starlink app and check the sleep schedule, you will see that Starlink will go to sleep very promptly. It's 9:09 here and it's gonna go to sleep at 9:11. So let's just remove it for now, we don't need it. And it's off. So why is it interesting and how did I do that? Starlink, being connected to satellites, consume more power than a regular modem. Therefore, when you don't use it, it's consuming power for basically nothing. And here's the result of my automation last night. So this is when I went to bed at about 11 and you can see there is a considerable power drop. Here at 3 a.m. there was an update until I woke up and removed the sleep mode from my phone. The energy saving is not huge. From my calculation, I will be able to save between 20 to 30 euros per year, but it's still cool to do it. Now the integration part is rather simple. I have two triggers when my phone focus turns on and when my phone focus turns off. You can of course make special condition, which is what I'm going to implement if you don't live alone in your house. For example, you can make sure that all of the phones that are within the house are in sleep mode. Then when the focus is on and all of the other conditions are validated, I turn on the Starlink sleep schedule and set the sleep schedule start time at the exact moment I trigger the sleep mode on plus 3 minutes. So it's gonna start 3 minutes after turning on the sleep mode. And the end time of the sleep schedule is going to be 12 hours after the current time. Unfortunately, Starlink doesn't work with a sleep mode on or off basis. It works with a sleep schedule. So you have to set the hours in which you want it to be on. And when all of the sleep modes of the phones in the house are off, just turn off the Starlink sleep schedule mode. And the beautiful thing about that is that it didn't require any extra smart device to buy, just the device that you're currently using, meaning a Starlink modem and a smartphone, which is already a smart device in itself. See you soon.